2 buttons? The 4 windows. How is that supposed to work? Nicole should know this. Hey, Nicole.
Hey, Daniel. How's it going? Looks like you got a question.
Yeah, I need your help with something. There are 4 windows in my ID4, but only 2 buttons on the driver's side door. How do I roll down the rear windows from the front?
So that's actually really simple. There's a small touch surface on the front of the button that says rear. If you touch it, a yellow light will come on and you're going to be able to control the windows in the back.
Great idea.
Yeah, it's pretty great. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities. And if you long press that rear button until it flashes, you'll be able to control all 4 windows.
Well, that's crazy. Do you have any more tips like that?
Of course I do. If you use 2 fingers to tap the touch strip of the temperature control, you'll automatically activate the heated seats.
That's really practical. Tips for hot and cold.
Sure, when you're using cruise control,
If you tap the plus or minus symbols on the left side controller of the steering wheel, you'll adjust the speed up or down by 1 kilometer. If you push the button, you'll jump up or down by tenths.
What a great idea. This button touch combination works really well.
let me know how you do with all of that. This is what you got me for. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Thanks, Nicole.
Volkswagen.